Hi, welcome to another episode of Cooking for a Celebrity. On this episode, we're not actually cooking for celebrity, but paying tribute to one of the greatest shows of our generation. So this is a 90s show, but it's still one of the most watched shows of all time. If there's a reason why we know so much about Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Halloween, and a lot of things about American culture, it's probably because of this show. You guys probably guessed it, it's Friends. So what are we making from Friends today? The most iconic, probably disgusting, Rachel's Trifle.
Wow, that sounds great.
And most importantly,
It tastes like feet.
but thankfully ours is not going to taste like feet because I'm going to swap out a few elements and put something else instead. So for starters, instead of the sweet ladyfingers, we're doing garlic breadsticks. It looks just the same. It's a type of bread / cake. For jam, I'm doing a blueberry sauce. Instead of custard, doing a bechamel, a white sauce. Raisins, beef is going to be beef. Instead of banana, crispy fried plantains, raw banana, and finally we're going to put some cheese and melt it. So let's go. So let's start with the garlic bread. So here I have my dough ready. By the way, this recipe is there. I'll link it below if you want to make just the garlic bread.
Mr. Prince.
Yes.
So, நம்ம ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எபிசோட் பண்ணுறதுனால I have some really good trivia questions for you.
Okay.
You don't know.
நீங்கள் கரெக்டாக சொல்லணும். ஒருவேளை தப்பாக சொன்னால் அது சாப்பிட்ணும்.
இன்னும் முறுக்கு தானே?
முறுக்கு தான். ஒன்றும் இல்லை, நீ தப்பாக சொன்னேன்னா என்கிட்ட 2 சாஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஒன்று வந்துட்டு மைல்ட் ஸ்பைசி, ஒன்று ரியலி வெரி ஸ்பைசி. லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்டில் ஒன்று இருக்கும், ரைட் ஹேண்டில் ஒன்று இருக்கும். யூ ஹேவ் டு சூஸ் லெஃப்டா ரைட் ஹேண்ட். அது கூட நீ தொட்டு சாப்பிட்டுக்கணும் ப்ரோ.
So here I have some garlic butter, and this is a dough that I've made in the shape of lady fingers. So இது மேலே போட போகிறேன்.
I'm asking you the first question. What are Monica and Ross's parents called? Jack and Jill, Peter and Margaret, Jerry and Mary, Jack and Judy.
Jack and Judy. So I'm going to go bake this in the oven. So while the garlic bread is baking, I'm going to get started on the beef. One of the 3 ingredients mentioned, onions, bay leaf. Bay leaf is not mentioned, நான் add பண்ணுறேன். The forbidden ingredient. புரிஞ்சுப்பாங்க.
Which character says the last ever line in the series? Gunther, Phoebe, Chandler, Rachel.
Gunther, Phoebe, Chandler, Rachel. Gunther.
Since you gave the wrong answer, you choose the left hand or the right hand?
Left. இங்கே பால் இருக்கு, just for safety. I think this is a milder one. ஸ்மார்ட் ஆடியன்ஸ் புரிஞ்சுப்பாங்க. இது டொமேட்டோ கெச்சப் தான்.
அது தெரியுதுடா, என்ன பண்ணுறது வச்சு.
இது ஆக்சுவலி டொமேட்டோ பேஸ்ட் போடணும், பட் சின்ஸ் இட்ஸ் நாட் ஈஸிலி அவைலபிள், ஐம் யூசிங் சம் கெச்சப். And now we come to the white sauce. So this is what we're making instead of the custard made from scratch. So as always, white sauce starts with butter and maida.
Phoebe dated a scientist called David. In which Belarus city did he work? Mogilev, Grodno, Minsk, Pinsk.
Minsk. ஆடியன்ஸ் ரொம்ப ஸ்மார்ட் ஆடியன்ஸ், பார்த்து கண்டுபிடிச்சிருவாங்க. ஆனாலும் சொல்லிடுறேன். இட்ஸ் சால்ட், I'll take that off and move on to the next one. So for the blueberry sauce, this is probably the trickiest one of the whole dish. So first I have some shallots, small onions. Apart from that, I'm using some fresh blueberries, some ginger, lemon, a little bit of thyme, and chili powder.
Where did Monica get a pencil stuck when she was 14? Nose here. Here.
Here?
Yeah. Left or right?
நீ கொண்டு வாங்க அப்போ தான் சொல்லுவேன், இல்லைனா நீங்கள் போங்க பண்ணுறீங்க. பேட்மா ஐயோ, லுக்ஸ் லைக் த ஸ்பைசி ஒன். Yep, the spicy one. Okay, so the blueberry sauce is almost done. Okay, so first we're going to fry this plantain.
What is Rachel's tattoo? A little dress, a blue angel, a red cupid, a red heart.
What is the first one?
A little dress.
Dresser.
Dress.
அதான் அது.
அவன் பாரு பல்லு நாக்கு எங்கேயுமே படலடா, அப்படியே உள்ள போட்டாடா.
காலம் தெரியும் ஒரு
You see, once we crush this, all this part gets exposed, so that becomes very crisp. Okay, so this looks nice, crispy and golden brown. That's how you want this to be. Okay, so this is done. So till now we used two ingredients for this, plantain, oil, and now the third ingredient, salt. That's all you need for making this. So now we have all our ingredients ready. So this is what we have instead of the ladyfingers, garlic breadsticks. So this is the super cheesy white sauce, some blueberry sauce instead of the jam that Rachel used, raisins instead of raspberry because that's equally sweet but it also goes well with savory food, beef, and the fried banana, raw banana. So we'll do a small taste test. Custard, good. Jam, good. Beef, good. So for the first layer, blueberry sauce, jam according to Rachel. So the cheesy bechamel sauce. Something that I don't want to add, Rachel added raspberries, I'm using raisins instead, but then it's part of the show so I have to do it. Another layer of ladyfingers, followed by the star of the show, beef sauteed with peas and onions. One more small layer of the bechamel sauce. Now the banana. Finally, Rachel used whipped cream on top. I'm definitely not going to do that because then no one can eat this. So I'm using some cheddar cheese instead and I'm going to melt it. So this is ready to bake. So our trifle is ready. Right now it looks good to me, but let's get to the tasting. It tastes almost like a lasagna because it has layers of bechamel, meat and all that. It actually tastes good. So guys, we did it. We made Rachel's dish actually edible. Do comment any of your favorite Friends moments, and if there's anything else that you'd like to see on the show, do let me know in the comments. Until next time, one sec.